Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can screen record in Redmi. So let me quickly begin this video by showing how you can find and configure the screen recorder preferences. So launch your device's settings, enter the additional settings category, and here select screen recorder. Now here you can adjust the screen recorder resolution, video quality, orientation, sound source, frame rate, as well as manage those recording options. Now when it comes to actually creating a screen recording, you will first need to swipe downwards from the right half of the status bar to launch the control panel. From here, look for the video camera icon or video camera shortcut and tap on it. Now as you can see, this little toolbar appears that allows you to start a screen recording. Now do your thing, record what you would like for the people to see. Now tap on this little shortcut here, or you can also do that or finish the recording from the control panel, or at least you should be. Yeah, disregard that. Anyway, tap on this shortcut to stop the recording. From here you can access your recordings by tapping at this little folder icon, or also open the aforementioned screen recorder settings. If you can find the video camera icon on your control center, try editing the layout. So open it, press edit, and look through the system toggles list or through the list of unused controls here, unused toggles. So let me remove screen recorder. And now if you'll find it here, simply press the plus icon and then save the changes. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.